Hello and welcome to Whiteland Restorations. We're at home today.
We are at home today. It's a very special occasion.
It is a very special occasion. Two very special occasions actually.
The most special of all is it's Louisa's first birthday today.
She's 1 today.
1 year old today. Can you believe it?
She's sleeping.
She's sleeping at the moment.
Sleeping. Oh, bless.
That's why
First
we've
nap
got
of the day.
5 minutes to make a quick video.
5 minutes to make a quick video now.
We've got some big news.
Yeah, shocking. This video is sponsored by us today.
By us, yes.
No, this is basically us telling you that
our merch store's going to be open now.
right
now, as this video goes out live, we've just launched the merch store.
It's exciting for us.
God, we've been trying to do it for so long, and we had to source all the best things, and we wanted it perfect before we launched it. So here it is, guys. The Whiteland Restorations merch store. Would you like to see it?
Yeah, please.
Right, you ready?
Drum roll.
Drum roll, please. Dun dun dun. You will find it on our website. Here we go. But these are all the products that we have. I'm just going to scroll through. We have mugs. We have stickers. We have hoodies and t-shirts. We have...
Freaking out. I bet you're going too fast.
A little bit too fast, right? There we go. We've got stickers. And we've also got handmade stuff. We have...
These things.
Car dangles. Yes, we have...
These are called... We're calling these car dangles.
Car dangles.
So if you heard of Volvo... Sorry, let me...
You go a bit closer.
Volvo, and then on the other side it says... That.
We also have these ones, old Volvo nut.
Old Volvo nut ones, which are pretty cool.
Now these are really cool. You hang them from your rear view mirror.
Yeah.
And they're also got a retro cassette one. Don't know if you see that.
Retro cassette. Oh, they're double-sided.
They are double-sided. The cassette one actually comes with a link to our awesome driving list playlist on the YouTube Music.
Yeah. I'm trying to just... There we go.
There we go. But we have loads of cool stuff on there. The key rings, my personal favourite. The key rings are epic. And fridge magnets.
Car-shaped cutout fridge magnets. These are so nice.
All our cars.
All our own designs.
Our designs in fridge magnet form. I mean, you couldn't ask for anything better, really. So we've also got a few 240 accessories that I'm going to be adding there shortly. Later on.
The products that we like the head torch, the band head torch that I love.
They're going to be added later on as well.
Underneath cars, just a bliss.
Our favourite products, really.
Yeah,
our favourite products. So yeah, go over, check out the store, and I don't know if you brought one with you. Oh, there's a t-shirt. There's a t-shirt. Oh, hold on.
Volvo.
There we go.
Old Volvo nut t-shirt, branded on the back, old Volvo on the front.
Beautiful. Do you have the limited edition keyring?
Oh yeah.
Hold on, just one second. We're so prepared.
Here.
The first 10 orders on the web store are going to be given for free.
A keyring.
Limited edition.
Only cut 10 of them.
Leather Whiteland's Restorations keyring.
Never to be made again.
This is it.
Not because we don't like the design, but because
it's special. It's tan leather. It's cut by us, hand finished.
It's a beautiful thing.
It is beautiful, and that's for the first 10 orders, okay?
Yeah, there's only 10 available.
Only 10 available, ever. That's the dog scratching over there. Right, so we're going to go and finish our birthday party when Madam wakes up. We've got a cake and presents to do.
Yeah.
So that's it from us this week. We will be back with you next week with normal content.
Normal content.
What's normal?
We've got a rust removal video coming out next week.
We have. That's going to be epic. A really good video.
Really cool. Best ways to remove rust. So that's fun. That'll be fun. It was really fun doing it.
Yeah.
I'd also like to say a big congratulations to Sledge at Volvo.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, they got a little baby Volvo girl as well.
So many sleepless nights ahead of you, mate.
We're 1 year ahead. We're still not sleeping.
We're still not sleeping.
Not scaring you or anything.
I think if Sledge doesn't get a video out this weekend, maybe we should all go and watch one of his old videos just to help him out a little bit.
We'll go and check out one of our favourites.
Yeah.
I'll put a link up here.
Yeah.
There we go somewhere. Right, we've got party stuff to sort out. Party food and birthday cake, my favourite.
Yeah.
Right, guys, see you next week.
Please go check out the store.
Go and check us.
Subscribe.
Link is in the description for the store.
Follow us on Instagram.
Threads. We're on Threads now. Yeah. Twitter, TikTok, Facebook, wherever you go, we're there.
We're everywhere.
We're everywhere. Don't know what we're doing. Right then. See you next time, guys.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Gotta collect them all.